Welcome to day 100, the final milestone of our 52-week Agentic AI Master Program. Over the past months, we've explored agents across industries, healthcare, finance, governance, education, creativity, and beyond. Today, we bring this journey home, quite literally, with a focus on smart home automation agents. Residential spaces are rapidly becoming intelligent ecosystems filled with connected devices, thermostats, lights, locks, appliances, sensors, and entertainment systems. Yet, as homes add more devices, the complexity of managing them increases. On average, a modern home already has over 25 connected devices, but many of them operate in silos. This fragmentation leads to frustration, wasted energy, and missed opportunities for true integration. Smart home automation agents address this by acting as unified orchestrators, learning routines, anticipating needs, and managing resources in real time. They move homes from reactive automation to proactive intelligence, where environments adapt seamlessly to inhabitants' preferences. Today's lecture will examine why these agents matter, the capabilities that make them effective, example workflows that show their value, the quantifiable benefits they provide to households, and the challenges and best practices for safe, responsible deployment. By the end, you'll see how smart home agents don't just make houses connected, they make them truly intelligent and human centered. Smart home agents matter because they solve a growing pain point: device overload. Today's homes are filled with gadgets from different manufacturers, each with its own app and ecosystem. While individually useful, collectively they create fragmentation. The first reason these agents matter is unification. They integrate disparate devices into a single, seamless control framework, saving users from juggling multiple systems. The second is personalization. Unlike static automation, smart home agents learn preferences over time, knowing when you like your coffee, how warm you want your room at night, or how you like your lighting during movie time. The third is proactive intelligence. Instead of reacting only to commands, agents predict and adjust, optimizing comfort, safety, and efficiency. Finally, accessibility is critical. By simplifying interaction through voice, natural language, or even gestures, these agents make automation accessible to everyone, including elderly or disabled residents who may find traditional interfaces difficult. With the smart home industry projected to reach $246 billion by 2028, AI driven agents will be the central drivers of adoption. They matter not only because they make life more convenient, but because they redefine what it means to live in a space that responds intelligently to human needs. The true strength of smart home agents lies in their core capabilities. The first is unified device control. These agents bridge protocols and manufacturers, orchestrating everything from lights and thermostats to locks and appliances through a single reasoning framework. This creates a holistic ecosystem rather than fragmented islands of automation. The second is natural interaction. Smart home agents process voice commands, gestures, and contextual cues to create intuitive, frictionless experiences. You don't need technical knowledge, just natural communication. The third is adaptive learning. Over time, agents monitor behavioral patterns to build predictive models of resident preferences, adjusting systems without needing explicit programming. This makes the home feel less like a machine and more like a responsive partner. Finally, there is resource optimization. Agents balance energy use, security, and comfort to maximize efficiency without sacrificing quality of life. This includes integrating occupancy data, weather forecasts, and energy pricing. The most effective smart home agents don't treat these as separate systems, but unify them into one reasoning model, ensuring that every decision reflects the total context of the household. Let's consider how these capabilities work in practice. Imagine a morning routine workflow. As dawn approaches, the agent gradually brightens the bedroom lights, warms the room to your preferred temperature, starts the coffee maker, and provides a voice briefing of your calendar and traffic conditions. Another workflow is security protocol. When you leave, the agent automatically locks doors, activates cameras, simulates occupancy through lighting schedules, and sends alerts if unusual activity occurs. A third example is energy optimization. By cross referencing occupancy patterns, weather forecasts, and real time utility rates, the agent dynamically adjusts heating and cooling to reduce waste while maintaining comfort. These workflows illustrate the evolution from simple rule based automation to contextual decision making that integrates multiple data streams. Instead of being reactive, like turning on a light only when a switch is pressed, the home becomes proactive, anticipating needs and orchestrating actions holistically. These real world workflows highlight the potential of smart home agents to transform daily life into a seamless, adaptive experience. Smart home automation agents deliver measurable benefits that go beyond convenience. Studies show households see an average 23% reduction in energy costs through intelligent HVAC and lighting management. Emergency responsiveness improves by 97%, with agents detecting and notifying residents faster than traditional systems. Time savings are equally impressive. On average, families report saving over 40 hours per month by automating repetitive routines like climate control, appliance scheduling, and security management. Perhaps most telling is user satisfaction. Surveys reveal that 72% of households using advanced smart home agents report significant quality of life improvements. But beyond numbers, there are intangible benefits. For families with elderly relatives, agents provide peace of mind by monitoring health and safety unobtrusively. For individuals with disabilities, smart home agents increase independence and accessibility, enabling environments to adapt to their needs. The combined effect is transformative. Homes become not just efficient and secure, but supportive environments that improve well being and inclusivity. These quantifiable and qualitative benefits make smart home agents one of the most impactful domains of agentic AI adoption. While the promise of smart home agents is enormous, their deployment comes with challenges. The first is privacy. Smart homes collect sensitive data about daily habits, routines, and personal preferences. Best practice here is local processing whenever possible, transparent data policies, and granular user control over what is shared. The second challenge is interoperability. Devices from different manufacturers often use different protocols, creating compatibility issues. Leveraging standards like Matter, maintaining device abstraction layers, and choosing platforms with broad ecosystem support are critical. The third is security. Every connected device can be a vulnerability. Best practices include network segmentation, regular firmware updates, and zero trust architecture for device authentication. Finally, it's important to remember that a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. One unsecured device can compromise the entire system. For your final project, you'll be asked to design a smart home agent tailored to a specific user persona, addressing these challenges while delivering personalized, proactive automation. This exercise will help you synthesize everything you've learned throughout this program, combining technical knowledge, design thinking, and ethical foresight into a practical agentic AI application.